So when they first came out, they reminded me of What? What is my number? Call me. Guys, I'm single. My favorite product is number
Personally, I like it because it literally feels like I have filter on afterwards.
Yes!
Right? Hi! Welcome back to Beauty Cookie. Today I'm here with a very special guest. As you can see, we have Soo here.
Woo! I'm here with the lovely Baysa.
For this specific episode only, I've invited Soo Beauty to come over and, just join and talk about her favorite brand. This is kind of crazy for me because I am an original subscriber of her before Style Korean. Before anything happened, I loved watching her videos.
Am I everything you imagined me to be?
But she's just everything I've expected and didn't expect in a good way, but more.
Girl, it's always nice meeting a fan.
I'll send you my bank details later.
I'll Venmo you later. Yeah. All right, so for today's video, I think you guys are gonna really like it. We're gonna talk about Numbuzin, right?
Numbuzin. All right, so Numbuzin. What do you personally think about Numbuzin?
Personally, of course, now it's my favorite brand, but when they first came out, they reminded me of Super Junior.
Wait, what?
So I was like, are they trying to be like the Super Junior of skincare or like the 소녀시대 of skincare?
But wow, this is a long time since I've heard about Super Junior.
Super
It's been so long! The whole concept of Numbuzin, because number. Numbuzin, its slogan stands for what's your number? And each number indicates certain types of skins or skin concerns. So which is great because it can cater for all skin types.
And I love how they have the numbers because it's so simple because sometimes the names can go really long.
Tea tree, Sika, hyperholiconica, whatever.
Serum, Cream, toner, essence.
All at once. So apparently their company, which is Be Now, Numbuzin is under the company Be Now, but they also have a makeup brand and a hair brand, which was something very interesting for me.
Hold up. Is the cosmetic brand Fui?
Yeah.
I love Fui so much.
I see it on your story all the time.
Right? Fui! You know why it's called Fui?
No.
It's like the sound like Fui when you smell like Fui. Yeah. You can cut that out. What is my number? Call me. Guys, I'm single. I'll leave you guys my number so you can.
You actually still didn't give me your number yet.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Not Numbuzin. What's your number?
I got you. My favorite product is number 3 serum and this cream. I think it's number 1, I want to say.
The pear?
The pear.
The pear.
Actually, you don't have to use this in conjunction. It's just I like these two products. But let me start out with number 3. My hand just kept reaching out for it. The number 3 skin softening. It has a lot of fermented ingredients. So it's great to really soften up your texture, really make it smooth. Then this cream is great because it's great for calming. It has azulen in it, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. And the texture is very pleasant, very nice. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It just hits right in the middle. And so I love these two.
And also my favorite of Numbuzin is number 3 and number 5.
Oh, 5!
Yeah. Number 5 is for blemishes, also for acne scars. And I have dark spots from acne and stuff. And blemishes in general pop up randomly. Well, not randomly because it's sleeping schedule kind of just all over the place. One thing that can really help me is that if I have a product that's battling it up with my skin, especially I felt less acne or blemishes pop up after using this.
No.
Which is great because
right, it prevents breakout.
so I really feel like this thing is battling on my skin.
Oh.
But for number 3 personally, I like it because of how soothing it gets.
Yes.
It literally feels like I have filter on afterwards.
Yes.
Right? Usually, because I have a lot of texture skin, when I have applied products, it actually highlights my textures.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Right?
Yeah.
But this one kind of evens it out with my whole skin.
Right?
Also, one of the interesting things I found about Numbuzin is that they do one-to-one online consultations. But yes, to be fair, they give consultation based on their products. For me and PT, we did the consultation. Personally have these bumpy textures. And I was like, hey, I am like a girl in my 20s, blah, blah, blah. And funny enough, they recommended number 3.
Really?
Yeah, so that's
cool.
how I know I'm on the right path.
Oh.
Also, they do not sell on their official website globally, so you can check out their products from their distributors like Style Korean.
Employee of the month. Employee of the month. 대표님, are you watching? Our Baysa's
He's
working
actually
hard.
watching.
We're happy to be here. We love you,
Very happy to
대표님.
be.
Please give our lovely Baysa a raise. She's working very hard. We love you, Numbuzin. Fighting.
This is the number 3 Porcelain Base Skip Tone Up Beige Cream. I use this product is by layering it onto my skin. The beige cream color is super buildable, so I try not to apply too much all at once and instead use small amounts to naturally blend the color into my skin. Just to show you guys how well this number 3 tone up cream works, I'm going to show you how it looks applied to only half of my face first. And look at how it looks after just applying a little bit. Do you guys see the difference?
I think first I want to really applaud her because tone-up creams are tricky to work with. You have to use it by small amounts. But what I love about this number 3 tone-up sunscreen is that it has a beige color to it. And it almost passes for like a nice foundation with a good coverage, but it's not as cakey. So that's what I really love about this.
I'm also worried because like tone up, I don't like my skin being too bright or too, in like Western markets, tone up is like misconceptionized as white cast.
Yes.
So especially this one has SPF 50, you would think this is a sunscreen basically.
Yeah.
But then this is also a skincare plus a makeup because you have like these 2 steps combined together in one, which is great because sometimes I'm not, I don't have time to dab skincare and cushion makeup all the time. So this is like perfect for those days. Next we have this amazing influencer that I love.
She's beautiful, by the way.
Oh,
Oh my god. First product that really helped out smooth out those bumps is this one right here. And guys, like Numbuzin, they are the hottest skincare brand right now in Koreans. Now this toner, this beautiful toner has an array of fermented ingredients. It actually has 50. That is a lot. So if you do have sensitive skin, make sure to check out the ingredient list before using it. But we all know by now that fermented ingredients can really work its magic. For example, SK2, the Pitera essence is wow. We all know that the SK2 Pitera essence has lots of fermented ingredients and it actually is a really, really good product. But the thing is, it's a little bougie. It's a little bit expensive. So the great news is that this number 3 toner pad has the same fermented ingredients and it is a fraction. Oh, is that it? Are we not watching more? Are we done already?
This is gonna be a Soo Beauty React channel from now on. So
so many views.
yeah, the views were so good. That's why it popped up when I wrote numbers in.
Good job, Soo. Good job. But anyways, what were we talking about? In terms of like the formulation, it is different because the SK21 is like really watery. It's like water. But in terms of ingredients, and you want a lot of fermented ingredients, then the Numbuzin one is definitely a good dupe to check out because it contains a lot of fermented, like bifida. I'm really bad with names, guys, but a lot of the great fermented ingredients in it.
That means there's a lot of like antioxidants, which is great for you.
Exactly. Everyone needs antioxidants because everyone, as long as you're breathing and in contact with oxygen, you're oxidizing right this minute. And that's why she's shocked. She's like,
We're oxidizing?
right this minute. It's just that you can't tell.
So we need to antioxidize.
Exactly. Okay, so the most simplest example is, when you cut up an apple and it turns brown?
Yes.
Or metal, it turns to rust?
Yes.
That is the process of oxidizing. But of course, people...
AKA aging.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So I was about to say, of course, we don't like turn brown in a day or we don't have rust. But like you said, it shows in the process of us aging. And of course, this happens over a long period of time. That's why we're not like, oh my gosh, we need to antioxidize, because it's a very gradual process. But as long as you're living, you do need to antioxidize if you want to do well-aging care. So yeah, I definitely recommend number 3 all the way.
I love to use this number 5 Goodbye Blemish Serum. As you can see, the bottle is literally almost empty. I only have a little bit left, so I have to restock. In just a few weeks, I noticed that some of the redness and acne scars went away, which was really surprising because I never could find the right products to do that. I like to use the number 5 serum with the number 5 moisturizer.
Oh, that one's good too.
Yeah, the comparison of her skin like in just a few months is just crazy. That's how I'm hoping my skin would turn out. It's all about, I guess it's all about like healing the stuff, but it's also about preventing it to happen again. That's, I think, is more important.
I cannot agree with you more. I always say prevention is key, especially like anti-aging, but also breakouts, because a lot of people ask me like, Sue, what do I do? You know, what product do I use for acne? I'm like, it's great to use products, but also what you really need to focus on is preventing your breakout, because you don't want to have to deal with the process of your skin barrier breaking, redness, scarring, etc. So prevention is key. Think about what I ate, because that's what really triggers my acne, like sugar. She looks depressed.
The thing is, but yeah,
Life is so unfair.
life is. Why?
Because you have some people who eat whatever they want and they have like flawless skin.
Right.
I'm just like, life
The
is...
type of people that wash their face with water and be like, that's it.
Exactly. So I'm just like, you know what? Everything's meant to be for a reason. I'm sure God is, you know, putting this path because He wants me to be a stronger person. Just everything is silver lining, you know?
Acne made me stronger.
No sighing.
Especially no sighing in front of Sue, because I'm having the time of my life.
Yeah, you are.
All right, guys, that's all for today. Sue, what do you think of today's episode?
It was so fun.
It's so fun.
I honestly went into this kind of blindly because she wouldn't tell me anything. For a moment, forgot we were filming, like genuinely, because I was like, I want to try the number 5 serum now.
I genuinely want to try number 3.
So guys, it was super fun. Thank you for having me. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Of course.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode on Numbuzin. If there's any products you want to try out or any products that you have tried out, let us know in the comments. And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!